For this work on writing activity, you are going to use your good writer checks to fix these sentences. Number 1 says, in art class, we are painting our flower pots. Use your good writer checks to fix these sentences. Remember, check number 1, I see a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. Check number 2, I see finger spaces between all the words I write. Check number 3, I see punctuation at the end of my sentence. And then the last check, are there lowercase letters throughout the sentence? Also, some of these, which isn't a check, they didn't spell the words correctly. So, for example, the word hour. This is the word or. So when you rewrite the sentence on the line correctly, you're going to rewrite that word spelling it O-U-R. Number 2, John's computer project is all about his turtles. So do your checks and see, did they do everything correctly? Circle anything that needs to be fixed, and then you're going to rewrite the whole sentence on the line using your good writer checks. Number 3, today is kickball day in gym class. I get to play for the yellow team. So again, do your checks. See, did they spell words correctly? Capital letters, finger spaces, end marks. And rewrite the whole sentence nice and neatly on the line. Once you have done it, you're going to do this. I read my sentences out loud to check my work. So then you're going to come back up here and you're going to reread what you wrote on the lines to check and make sure you rewrote it correctly. Same thing, come down to number 2 and reread it. Did I forget my end mark? And then number 3. The last box says my partner read my sentences. So I'm going to find a partner and they're going to read my sentences that I wrote. On the back side, number 1 says, Olivia just checked out a Magic Tree House book from the library. So think about your checks, what needs to be fixed. Rewrite it neatly on the lines. Number 2, do you want to eat lunch with Justin and me? Think about the checks, rewrite it neatly on the lines. And number 3, our teacher is helping us learn our math facts. Do your checks and rewrite with it written correctly on the line. You're going to do the same thing. Reread your 3 sentences you rewrote to be sure that you didn't miss any errors.